Royal Enfield has teamed up with Icon Motorsports, the celebrated brand known for pushing the boundaries in motorcycle apparel and protective gear, to introduce the limited edition Shotgun 650 Icon Edition. With only 100 units being produced worldwide, this exclusive model is a true collector's dream. The Shotgun 650 Icon Edition stands out with its bold three-tone color scheme, featuring race-inspired graphics that give it a dynamic, high-performance look. The custom build is complemented by unique special parts, including gold contrast-cut rims and blue shock springs that add to the bike's striking aesthetic. A red seat with an integrated logo, along with sleek bar and mirrors, elevate its style and attention to detail. Each bike will also be accompanied by a one-of-a-kind Slabtown Intercept RE jacket, crafted from a combination of suede and textile for an exceptional look and feel, further enhancing the exclusivity of this limited edition release. This special collaboration between Royal Enfield and Icon Motorsports delivers a head-turning blend of design, performance, and craftsmanship, making it a must-have for motorcycle enthusiasts and collectors alike.